I'm pretty sure all the way from Uganda. So I came here for Doja Cat's concerts. Just now I'm excited for only 2 songs, Streets and Paint the Town Red. Those ones.
Hi, I'm Summer. I'm from Nigeria. Flew all the way here from Lagos to see Doja Cat. I'm a huge fan, huge. And it wasn't hard to make a decision at all. The minute I heard what was happening, I booked a ticket and I came here. So yeah, I would really love to see her perform today. I would love to see her do something from the new album. Although I don't know, but yeah, I'm really. Top 2 songs would be. I don't have top 2. I said.
Okay.
It's like there's just a lot, but the 2 I'm really vibing with right now. It's Couples Therapy from V and Talk Dirty.
So my name is Tegan. We're here at the Doja Cat concert and I'm expecting a great performance, lots of entertainment. And me and my girlfriend, we came from Tanzania, just across the border in Ngara for this concert.